Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to connect Capture 2025 or 2026 to any laser software such as Pangolin FB4, Liberation, etc. with Capture 2026, the visualizer. So we're going to get started here. So what we want to do is, here's a note. So you see this little dot right here? That represents that Capture is connected to Liberation. So you want to make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi network and that you open Capture first. So what you want to do is you want to have Capture open first. So you want to close Liberation. And if you noticed, right whenever I closed Liberation, that the little dot disappeared. So now I'm going to go ahead and open Capture back up. So if you notice, the dot is still not showing up and it's not properly connected because you have to close Liberation and then open it again once Capture is already open. So you want to open Capture first, then open Liberation, and Liberation will automatically connect to Capture. So as you see, it's still not connected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart Liberation. I'm going to open Liberation back up. And the moment that I open Liberation back up, you see that little white dot is there, meaning that we have a successful connection. So in order to get the laser to work, you have to add the laser in as a fixture. So what you do is you go under library and you search for a popular laser. So for example, if you put laser 4000, it'll give you a good laser that you could use right here. So I put one of those down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to design and I'm going to make the fixture a little bit more brighter so I could see it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate it so I can have two lasers. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select both of the fixtures. I'm going to go to selected items. Now I'm going to go down and first I'm going to turn on the fixture, and some lasers are different, but you want to always make sure that the test card is on. And for media, this is where the magic is. For media, you want to choose 1, Liberation 1. That stands for the first laser. The second laser would be Liberation 2. So if I go back here to the selected items, you see the laser is still not working. That's because we had to adjust the light of the color. So in order to get it to work, we had to move the bottom slider all the way down and have the top 2 all the way down to get the correct color. So I'm going to bring that one all the way down. I'm going to keep this one all the way up, and I'm going to bring that first one all the way down so I'll get the full RGB of the laser. Now to put both of the lasers on separate channels, you go back to selected items, and once you go back to selected items, you will see Liberation. It'll show the IP address, and then if you choose number 2, it'll put that laser on a separate output, so both of the lasers can display different images based on your Liberation software settings. And this applies to Pangolin FP4 and any other laser software that supports capture visualization.